Start drawing a line to form a box. Add a rectangle at the top. Start drawing half circles at the top. Add a second half circle. Above the two half circles, add another circle. At the top of this castle, add a square. Add a circle at the top of the square. Draw thin rectangles on either side of the square. Add another set of smaller thin rectangles. Windows can be added to your castle by drawing a square. Add lines to form the window panes. You can add more details, like lines or circles, for extra texture on the walls.